Hey everyone, Michael here. In the past 12 hours, I've generated 900 leads and made a few hundred in sales using automated systems. Want to know how I did it? In this video, I'll show you exactly how I'm sending these messages, what I'm saying, and how I'm automating the follow-up process. Let's dive in. These are all different leads. People interested in working with me for the things I'm selling. If you're interested in getting unlimited leads and want updates on this system, let me know. Respond with yes in the comments and I'll keep you updated. Also, if you want to set this up yourself, join my free community where I show you step by step. I'll leave links in the description to everything I'm talking about today. Let's discuss what we're actually doing. First, we set up a private server running contact forms, sending out messages about anything we want. You might wonder who we're messaging. We're messaging website owners. Last night, we sent out 95,000 contact forms. You can see they're still sending or loading here. We're using a CAPTCHA breaker to get through. These messages go to websites with whatever message we specify. So what are we sending? I've been testing and plan to make a spreadsheet of the test to show what's working. Recently, we've been telling people we have leads for them. We say, hi, we have leads interested in your service. We don't know what their service is since we're messaging random websites, but we tell them we have leads. When they say yes, we set them up in an automated follow-up sequence. I'm showing people how this system works, and then we're selling them on it. It's pretty straightforward, and we don't have to do anything complicated after it's set up. The setup is the tricky part. To get it set up, you need to decide how hard you want to run it. Do you want to send 1 million messages a day, 5 million, 10 million? Depending on what you want to do, you'll need more resources. You'll need more proxies, private servers, and licenses for all the different tools. You also need to decide if you're going to automate your backend as well. On the front end, we're just sending messages, but on the back end, we can use something like Go High Level to create automated sequences to follow up with the leads coming in. That's the next part I'm working on right now. If you're interested in this system and want me to help you set it up, just join the community below and shoot me a DM. The most basic way, if you don't want to use too many tools to respond to these leads. Go High Level is really cool. If you haven't seen it, a lot of people here have probably already seen it. It allows you to automate many processes, making it easier to manage your leads and follow-ups. I'll be showing you how to set up automated sequences and follow-ups using Go High Level. This will make the whole process more efficient and save you a lot of time. Remember, if you have any questions or need help setting this up, join the community below. I'm here to help you get started and make the most out of this system. I'll leave a free trial link to High Level if you want to check it out. The reason why Go High Level is really cool is because it lets you set up automated sequences. In my dashboard, I can create automations for any leads that come in. For example, I have an automation where if someone replies with a certain word like cost, sure, or interested, I can set a timer delay so the message isn't sent back immediately. Then I can send a message that says, awesome. Before we get set up, would you mind watching this video? The video helps warm them up and shows them how the process works. When they're ready to buy, they can just text me and I can get them started. It's important to close the deal properly. I don't recommend closing everything over text. Once you start getting the leads, the problem isn't getting the leads, it's doing the warm-up sequence right. If you pull the right levers and warm people up the right way, you can make a lot of money. But you have to make sure you're doing the right things. In this case, I'm doing something simple. I'm offering a lead service and getting them into a warm-up sequence. I'm sending them a video explaining how the lead service works and then telling them to reach out to me. By the time they reach out to me after watching the warm-up video, they are ready to buy. It's about coming up with a way to warm them up. For example, if you were selling to local businesses, you could sell anything you want. You could sell a website service. One of our successful messages was, hey, there's something wrong with your website. Would you be interested in us helping you fix it? Then we would send them a video explaining all the stuff we do, how we fix websites, and what we can do for them. You can make this a generalized video. It doesn't have to be personalized. When working with clients, you don't always need to show them their exact website. Instead, you can demonstrate various aspects you can fix and then pitch them a full audit service to identify all the issues with their site. Another successful approach we used was offering a free marketing video and then selling our tool called Opus Clip. There are many ways to do this. And if you get skilled at automation, the potential is huge. Your main focus should not be just on getting leads, but on setting up the system, pulling the right levers, and experimenting. Your first step is sending messages, followed by the follow-up, and finally closing the deals. Even before that, there's the scraping process if you want to do it yourself. This process can get quite intricate. I've been involved in this for almost 2 years, and there's always more to learn. If you want to delve deeper into this process with me, I can help you set it up. The setup fee is $4.97, a one-time cost. I will set up your private server and guide you through the process. There are additional costs to consider, such as the tools you'll need. I don't own these tools, but I can explain their costs and functions. We use GSA Website Contact and GSA Capture Breaker. GSA Contact and Capture Breaker cost about $180 for both. This would be in addition to the setup fee. For proxies, the cost depends on your desired speed. You can start with 10 proxies, but if you want to scale up quickly, you might need 100 to 200 proxies. The key to success here is not just in sending messages, but in how you follow up and close the deals. Offering something valuable like a free audit or a marketing video can warm up your leads and make them more likely to engage with you. Automation tools can help streamline this process, but it's crucial to use them effectively. Experimenting with different approaches and refining your methods will help you find what works best. The journey involves learning and adapting, as there is always more to discover and implement. If you are ready to explore this further and want assistance in setting it up, the initial investment will be worthwhile considering the potential returns. In summary, the process involves sending messages, following up, and closing deals, with a focus on warming up your leads through valuable offers. Automation plays a significant role, and understanding how to use it effectively can unlock many opportunities. If you're interested in diving into this and want guidance, there is an initial setup cost and additional tool expenses, but the potential benefits can be substantial. When setting up automation for your business, you need to consider a few costs. Proxies can cost around $20 a month if you use about 100, but for 200 proxies, you might spend $100 to $200 monthly. A private server is about $30, so your total monthly cost could be anywhere from $50 to $200. Additionally, there's a one-time licensing fee of $180. I'll provide links to all these resources, but remember, they are optional. Once everything is set up, the system runs smoothly. You can start by loading your pre-made lists or scraping them yourself. After importing the lists, you just need to set your submission, content message, and click run. It's straightforward once it's up and running. Setting up systems like HighLevel or other automation tools makes the process efficient. Manually handling all the leads and messages would be impossible. It would take a lifetime to do what our system can do in just 12 hours. This method is currently an untapped market, with not many people doing it because it seems intricate. That's why we offer a setup service. With our help, you don't need to understand the complexities. We've invested a lot of time and money learning this. I'll leave the links to the setup service. If you're interested, you can get in touch. With the right setup, you can streamline your operations and focus on growing your business. Experimentation is crucial. Trying different approaches and refining your methods will help you discover what works best for you. Automation tools can handle the bulk of the work, freeing up your time to focus on strategy and closing deals. The investment in setting up these tools and processes pays off by saving you time and increasing efficiency. If you're ready to explore this further and want assistance, the setup service is a worthwhile investment considering the potential returns. By leveraging automation, you can stay ahead in an untapped market, offering valuable services to clients while efficiently managing your operations. In conclusion, setting up an automated system involves some initial costs and learning, but can significantly enhance your business. From handling leads to sending messages and closing deals, automation makes these processes more efficient. If you're interested in diving into this, secure your spot soon, and I'll help you get started. Thank you for considering this opportunity. Happy money making, and I look forward to working with you.